Obila mag okwach omako karan ma kaunti ma Nyamira Duke Simeon Onyari ne ketho matiyo marach gi mwandu mag sirikal e omenda madirom siling milion 30 kaluwore gi jatend okwach kich bade ma South Nyanza Alfred Mashuga. Apisi margi noyudo ng'ur ewi mibadhi makamano ma karan no ero osetimo kendo osedadhoge ka koro ji mamoko mitudo gi keth makamano pod iseto.
We had established that the county government of Nyamira, county assembly of Nyamira, recommended the award of the tender to the company known as Jetta Builders, which was not the lowest evaluated bidder. This actually amounted to conferring of a benefit of 30,817,396 to Jetta Contractors Limited. So upon investigations and conclusion of investigations, we forwarded our investigation file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who upon review approved charges on the following persons. One, Mr. Duke Simon Onyari, who is the clerk, Nyamira County Assembly. Mr. Leonard Kevin Nyamasege, who is the deputy clerk, Director Finance and Accounts. Mr. David Nyarango Ombego, who is the deputy clerk, Director Legal Services. Ms. Joyce Oyengo, who is the Director Monitoring, Evaluation and Development at Nyamira County Assembly. Engineer Josephat Martini Oruru, who is the Chief Officer, Roads and Public Works, Nyamira County Government. Mr. Eric Onguti Ayuka, who is the Infrastructure Officer. And finally, Mr. Simon Ondari Ogecha, Infrastructure.